Mike's Beehive.
Okay, well there's our entrance right here. And the top bars, why I bought these, made them like this, is so I don't expose too many frames at once. So we won't have them coming out on us. Feeder. And then there's ventilation through this hole, and then it goes through the drawer cavity, and then there's ventilation through the bottom. So it comes up and around. There's the entrance on the inside. Then we lift this out and it reveals the side window. And then you reveal this one, and there's a back window.
See the honeycombs and stuff. Yeah.
Oh, that is so cool.
So what you do here now is when you're working with your frames, you pull out this full extension, and I put tin bottom so the mites, and I can do all mite count, and it's easy to clean. And this pops out. And then what you do is when you have your frame full of bees, you lift it over and into here, and you can stack them. So you have room to slide your combs back and forth.
And then the roof, you got ventilation, looks like, in it?
Yeah, roof ventilation, cross ventilation through here and up through the soffit.
You know this is going on YouTube, right?
And there's enough room in here to store tools.
And you say you built this in about 12 hours.
45 minutes.
With very simple tools that everyone has, eh?
A chisel.
You know when you started this, do you? I mean, it was after
Oh, it was a month to build it. A month and a half.
more than that, yeah.
Yeah.
There was still snow outside. 'Cause
And
you
about
couldn't-
300
and we haven't had
300
snow
in material.
He was painting the house, and
She was flipping.
I was
Peking gazebo.
it smelled so
So what I think we can do is put our food, for me, I can use my food tray here, but also leave it open and stack containers of food
I can put like,
up in here,
yeah.
and then we'll see if this one or the shallow one, if I can close the lid.
Looks like it, because that one you got
Yeah,
stacked.
and I
so-
got them stacked, so that should be enough for them to get in and around.
Well, there you go.
Very cool.
Even the turkeys are pretty excited about it, eh, Drumstick? Yeah. And now we just got to put the bees in today. We'll see how it looks in a few weeks once they're established. How's that sound?